Okay, now that we're back at the bike, which was skip hopping away, we'll clean this tip off a little bit. I know it's not brand spanking new, but a little bit more. There's a little grommet down here for the exhaust seal that it will slide into, and then the bolt will go back in. Alright, so now that I got through that little fiasco, oh, sorry. So I ran into a nice little issue where the GoPro decided he liked to start overheating. Good times. So now I'm getting the exhaust back tight again. Something simple. Slide this bad boy in first. Little rear hook in. Something don't look right. Okay. Contemplating trimming this bad boy off right here. I'm gonna go do some research, see how these restyle kits fit on a lot of other models. Boom, completed. So now there's two things that can happen here. I'm gonna start it up. Two things that can happen. It's either I packed it correctly, that's the best case scenario. Worst case scenario, I clog the exhaust and it pops off and it don't start whatsoever. This bad boy usually starts on the first kick. So when in doubt, let's try it out. Turn on the gas. Get it to the top of the center. So I guess option A was the best. I'm gonna end the video here. If you want to continue to watch, I'm gonna clean the bike up and then we'll go about my life.